Hey everyone, welcome back to Dynamics 365 Universe, your go-to place for mastering Dynamics 365 finance and operations. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss practical tips and deep dives just like this one. Today, we're going to talk about something that can make or break your system performance: indexes and tables. If you've ever wondered why some queries are lightning fast while others take forever, the answer often lies here in indexes. So, what exactly is an index? Think of it like the index in a book. Instead of reading every single page to find a word, you jump straight to the page number listed in the index. That's exactly what SQL Server does for your Dynamics 365 tables. It uses indexes to find data faster, without scanning every single row. Now, let's break this down. In Dynamics 365 F&O, we have primary index, the main unique identifier for your table. Clustered index decides the physical order of how data is stored. Non-clustered index, perfect for those columns you query a lot, but don't store in clustered order. Unique index makes sure there are no duplicate values. And composite index, which combines multiple columns to speed up multi-field searches. Remember, each of these has a different job, but together, they decide whether your queries are fast or painfully slow. In X++, you can guide the database to use a specific index for faster queries. Here, we're selecting all records from cust table using the cust account IDEX index hint for optimized performance. When your X++ query runs, it's actually converted to SQL. Here, SQL's query optimizer decides, should it do an index seek, where it jumps directly to the row, or an index scan, where it reads the whole table. Spoiler alert, we always want that index seek for speed. Let's start with the best practices for indexes in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. Always index the fields that you use most often in your where clauses. Include data area ID in composite indexes. This is especially important in multi-company scenarios. Use selective indexes so SQL can quickly narrow down results without scanning everything. Avoid creating too many indexes. Remember, each insert, update, or delete needs to maintain them. Leverage rec ID when joining tables. It's the fastest way to link data. And finally, review your index usage periodically to ensure they're still serving their purpose. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes. Creating indexes for every field. This slows down writes and wastes storage. Ignoring data area ID in composite indexes. This can lead to slow table scans in multi-company queries. Overlapping indexes. If two indexes start with the same columns, you're probably wasting resources. And not monitoring fragmentation. Highly fragmented indexes can significantly slow down retrieval. Avoid these mistakes, and your system will thank you. Here's a quick real-world example. Scenario 1. No index. SQL scans the entire table. On a table with 5 million rows, this could take seconds. Scenario 2. Proper index on sales ID. SQL performs an index seek and retrieves the data in milliseconds. The difference is huge. That's why indexing correctly is so critical. And here's a quick summary of index types. Primary, your table's unique identifier, mapped to SQL's primary key. Clustered, defines the physical storage order of your rows. Non-clustered, a quick lookup for specific fields. Unique, ensures there are no duplicate values. Composite, great for filtering on multiple columns together. Understanding these types and when to use them is the foundation for building a high-performance Dynamics 365 database. Indexes are like spices in cooking. The right amount makes everything perfect, but too much can ruin the dish. Use them wisely, monitor them often, and your Dynamics 365 environment will thank you with blazing fast performance. If you found this useful, drop a like, share it with your team, and let me know in the comments how you've used indexes to boost your system performance. And of course, subscribe to Dynamics 365 Universe for more practical, real-world tips that actually make a difference in your projects. Until next time, keep learning, keep optimizing, and keep exploring the universe of Dynamics 365.